Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here about to understand how you design on Figma. First, what we're gonna start to do is about to open start with a frame and start to act something that is really depending on that. But we can actually start to go to a certain frame that we'd like to add, which is really the desktop, and this is really to be satisfied with this part through every single progress that is really to be satisfied through this situation that is really to be dependable on something that is really to be important to make this kind of parts is really to be satisfied with the moment that we have. And so what we're gonna do is about to start to design sections like header, hero, content, footer, applying colors, typography, and something that is really on the right corner. That is all about.